Participate in the 3rd annual Wisconsin Chili Lunch on Thursday, February 25th. The Wisconsin Chili Lunch is a fun and delicious annual event to celebrate Wisconsin Farm to School. Join the Farm to Institution movement and be a part of the annual Wisconsin Chili Lunch. Together, schools, early care sites, colleges, hospitals, and communities across the state source Wisconsin-grown chili ingredients to serve on the 4th Thursday of February each year. By serving chili with local beans, meats, vegetables, cheese, and other Wisconsin-grown ingredients on the same day, we demonstrate our support of local farmers and help make these foods more available for purchase. Fun fact: we celebrate Wisconsin Chili Lunch on National Chili Day. The statewide Wisconsin Chili Lunch began as a local project created by the Coulee Region Farm to School program and the La Crosse County Health Department. In that first year, 33 schools, early care sites, and hospitals all served delicious local chili on the same day, and the crowd went wild. Since that first year, we've served 113,302 bowls at over 163 schools and sites across the state. We celebrate the bountiful Wisconsin harvest and seasonality by connecting local farmers to eaters to enjoy a chili recipe that emphasizes local ingredients, supports our local farmers, and puts nutritious meals on every tray. Visit the website to find food service-friendly chili lunch recipes, the Chili Lunch Guide, and local food vendor information. Why register? Register your Wisconsin Chili Lunch event so we can count your bowls towards our goal. And you get special tools and resources to plan and promote your chili lunch. Be sure to register your school, early care and education site, college, hospital, or business campus today. Everyone is welcome to join in the delicious fun. We can't wait to see what local ingredients you put in your Wisconsin Chili Lunch bowl. Register today to join the Wisconsin Chili Lunch.